Do you also have problems with putting in place these CV axles? It's terrible. Step 1, find yourself 2 bolts. Like this one. Get yourself an angle grinder. Grind off both heads and get them like this. Get your gasket in place and screw in 2 of the studs we made. Just a few turns and it will be enough. Put your axle, push away the wheel hub, get your axle on the threads and push it in and screw in the nut. Once you have put in some bolts, remove the studs and throw them away.